Hey, welcome to Gourmet Fishing. I'm your host, David Murray. Today we got a short, quick little video on how to store pre-rigged, as you see right here, Ballyhoo rigs. Yes, vacuum sealer, a little bit of foam right here, our rigs. Let me show you how I do it right now. All right, storing pre-rigged offshore trolling baits. I've got two types here. I've got these right here. These are the weedless Ballyhoo rigs, and they don't really have any sharp edges to them, believe it or not, because there are no points or anything like that. There's no wire pins. We do have a little bit of copper rigging wire, but that shouldn't hurt us at all when we activate the vacuum sealer. Now over here with our standard trolling rigs, well, we do have hook points. We've got our wire pins. That's where our little foam comes into play. So I tell you what, why don't we go ahead and take a look at our weedless non-pointy trolling rig. So I've sealed the end of this bag, and I'm going to come down. I'm going to say, you know what, that's probably good enough right here. So I'm going to come in with a pair of scissors. Oh, these are nice scissors too. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Who knows how long they've been outside. So anyway, here we go. Now I'm going to come in here. We're going to grab our rigs. Let's see if we can get them all without a tangle. You know what? I'm going to do this. I'm going to grab these. I don't even know how many I have. What do we got here? We've got 3. We got 6. How about that? Half dozen. Just like so. We're going to grab them like this. I'm going to make sure that the little squid rigs are all the way down, just like that. Open up our vacuum sealer bag like so. And now I'm going to arrange them so that they're as flat as they can be. So we'll just do something like this. We'll go, let's see, we'll only got 5. I guess I miscounted. So anyway. Okay, just, you know what, let's see, I'm going to move you down this way so it's a little bit of flat. I'm going to come in and vacuum seal away. Now these baits might be a little wet, so I'm going to use my moist control and seal and vacuum seal. Voila. How about that? No air. That's, you know, the air is a killer for all kind of stuff, you know. Holy cow. So there it is. It is completely vacuum sealed. There are no points to create any little pinholes that will allow air in. So this is off to the freezer here in a second. There it is. It's done. Voila. Check that out. Awesome. Okay. Storage number 1. Now number 2 is a little more involved. We'll show you what we can do here. Now I'm just going to come in and I'm going to seal the bottom part. Now we'll get that going here in a sec. Now, you know, on these rigs, well, we've got points and we've got our metal pins, which will create a problem when it comes to vacuum seal. So we've got this foam. You can get it, you know, at craft stores. You know, it's just, I don't know if that's about a 6x9. That'll work. Why not? And what I did with this one is I've cut it in half. I'm going to put one on the bottom of where the hook points are and one on the top. So when that air gets sucked out of our vacuum bag, this foam will protect the bag from the hook points. And I'm going to do the exact same thing, cutting this one in half wherever what happened to our scissors? There they are, hiding in the couch. I'm just gonna, you know, nothing major here, nothing magical. So now the one I just cut will come up here and protect the bag from our pins. So unleash that. Now I'm gonna come in here. Okay, I guess that's probably gonna be close. Come down, there's a little line right there. I'm gonna attempt to go straight across. Yee. Okay, we're gonna wrap this back up, get it out of the way. Now, let's get our rigs together and we will put them in the bag. Oop, ha, he tried to get away. Okay, just like so. And voila, they're in. Okay, now here we go. Here comes kind of a tricky part. Not too bad. Again, what we want to do is kind of get them spread out so all the hooks are at the same point. The pins are at the same point, just like so. Okay, see there? Awesome. So let's grab our foam. Come in here. You know what? I'm going to go with these right here. They're a little thicker. We're going to come in like this. You know what? We may have to use 2 pieces of foam. Looks like it, doesn't it? Yeah. Or I'm going to roll this guy over here. Okay, we got it now. Yes. We can still use 1. So we're going to do that. Let's see. I'm going to come in here. Put this one down. Like so. Now we're going to quickly flip. Voila. Just like so. Come in here with our other. I got a little away from it. That's fine. Come in with our other piece of foam. Like this again. Covering the hooks. And then this one covering the pins. Just like so. Let's get them in there. Okay, I think that's gonna be, now we're ready to vac seal. Again, I'm going to use my moist control just in case there's any liquid in there. What I did do is I did pat them dry with paper towels. I don't know where they are. They're somewhere around here. So again, moist vac seal. Need some vac seal music. And there it goes. Just like so. You see how that foam right there is protecting the bag from the sharp, pointy things in there. And there it is. Close to being sealed. But yeah, that's a perfect way if you're, I don't know, if you're bored and you want to rig some baits because you know you got something coming up, you know, in a couple of days or a week or 2, go ahead, pre-rig them, vacuum seal them, keep the air away from your baits, and they should be great. So what do? You get your baits, get down to the marina or to the boat, get you a bucket of salt water, toss them in there. They will be thawed out, ready for you to rig your baits. I mean, rig your spread. Look at that. See there? How about that? That's awesome. Heck yeah. Perfect. That's exactly what you need. But you will be ready to fish. You won't have to do any rigging on the way out. Drink your coffee, nice little ride offshore, and you're ready to go. So, I tell you what, down here, I mentioned the weedless Ballyhoo rig right there. There's your video. And hey, right here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I tell you what, until next time, God bless, and we'll see you soon.